are working on PowerPoint multi-project 1. Currently we're working on project 3, which is the rock crawling project. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and duplicate the slide title most popular. So if you look here, it says most popular. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Now, there are a few ways to do that. I'm just going to, with this selected, hit Control C and Control V, which is copy, and then paste. But you can also do that from duplicate selected slides. So we've gone ahead and did that. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to make the slide Other Activities visible. And it's this one right here. Notice that 5 is crossed out. That means that if you were to play this presentation, it would not show. All we need to do is select that. We'll right-click, and we'll click Hide Slide. Now that is visible in the presentation. We'll go ahead and click Mark Completed. It tells us that we want to display the date in the upper right-hand corner of the handouts created. So we're going to go ahead and go to View, and we'll go to Handout Master, and we'll click Date here, and we're in the Handouts Master tab, and then we'll click Close. But notice here that we went ahead and put that date in for us. We'll click Mark Completed, and it's telling us to reorder the presentation so the last slide titled Adventurous Trails is slide 3. So we'll go ahead and click that over here on the left, the view pane, and we're actually just going to click and drag it up. Not too bad, and we'll place it here. That is the new number 3 in this presentation. We'll click Mark Completed. And task 5 asks us to change the handout settings to print 3 slides per page. Now, the keyword is print here, so we're going to go to File, Print, and then right here, we're going to do 3 slides per page. Again, we're on the print, underneath here, 3 slides. And notice it changes the format of the printing. We can click the backspace to get out of the backstage view, and we'll click Mark Completed.